welcome back to the Misbehavin' YouTube channel. Let's get started on a mixture of spices and fruit that will make your house smell wonderful. Today we're going to be doing a holiday potpourri. We're going to take all these ingredients and we're going to put them into a pot of boiling water, and it makes a great scent for the holidays. First of all, we're going to take a half a cup of cranberries, 3 cups of water, 4 cinnamon sticks, 1 orange. We're going to take a tablespoon of cloves and 1/8 of a teaspoon of nutmeg. Typically we put it on a pot on the stove, but our stove gets very full during the holidays, and today is Thanksgiving, so we are going to do it in a fondue pot. So what we're going to do is we got a cup of water there. We got 2 cups of water here. We're going to bring this to a boil, so that makes 3 cups. We're going to bring this to a boil, and we're going to add all our ingredients right to the pot. So we're going to go slice up our orange, get our other ingredients in the pot, and we'll check back in. Okay, we are starting to get up to a boil now, and boy, does this smell good. So we are going to turn this down just a little bit, and we're going to let this run all day long. As the water starts to dissipate, we're going to add more, and then we have all our backup ingredients to keep adding to it to keep the smell going for the entire day. So there it is, as easy as that. Holiday potpourri. See y'all.